relaxation response, an easy to do relaxation technique. To prepare, simply sit up straight, roll your shoulders back, give your shoulders a good roll back, stretch the neck to the side, and then push your chin in slightly, release that tension, keep your chin parallel to the ground. Now simply watch the breath. Feel your stomach rise and sink. Now think of a key word that will help you to relax. Keep it secret. This is your secret keyword for you to relax. Now, think of it now. Watch your tummy rising and sinking gently. Just breathe as you are. Repeat the keyword in your mind's eye. Repeat the keyword. Feel your tummy rise and sink. Just connect with your tummy and your body. Think of that keyword. Watch your tummy rise and sink. Feel your tummy rise and sink. Rub your hands together. Hand on your heart and in your tummy. Give yourself some love. And affirm to yourself, I will take this calm, serene, self-aware state of being with me throughout the day. So might it be.